Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that I'm sure a lot of you are interested in, Revolut. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including banking, investing, and cryptocurrency trading. It's a popular choice for people who want a convenient and affordable way to manage their money. But which country uses Revolut the most? That's what I'm going to find out in this video. Before I get into the data, I want to talk a little bit about what makes Revolut so popular. One of the biggest reasons is that Revolut is very affordable. There are no monthly or annual fees, and you can send and receive money for free. Revolut also offers a variety of currency exchange rates, so you can save money when you travel. Another reason why Revolut is so popular is that it's very convenient. You can use the Revolut app to manage your money from anywhere in the world. You can also set up automatic transfers and withdrawals, and you can get notifications about your account activity. Now, let's take a look at the data. According to Revolut, the top 5 countries that use Revolut the most are United Kingdom, Poland, Romania, France, Spain. It's not surprising that the United Kingdom is at the top of the list. Revolut is a British company, and it's been available in the UK for a long time. Poland is also a popular country for Revolut. This is likely due to the fact that Poland has a large and growing economy. Romania, France, and Spain are also all popular countries for Revolut. These countries have large populations and are also home to many young people who are looking for affordable and convenient banking options. Now that we know which countries use Revolut the most, let's take a look at some of the other features that make Revolut so popular. One of the most popular features of Revolut is its cashback rewards program. When you use your Revolut card, you can earn cashback on your purchases. This cashback can then be used to pay for future transactions. Revolut also offers a number of travel benefits, such as free travel insurance and access to airport lounges. Another popular feature of Revolut is its ability to help you save money. You can set up savings goals and automatically transfer money into them. Finally, Revolut is a very secure platform. Your money is protected by encryption and other security measures. Overall, Revolut is a great option for anyone who wants a convenient, affordable, and secure way to manage their money. So, there you have it. The top 5 countries that use Revolut the most. If you're looking for a new banking app, I highly recommend checking out Revolut. Thanks for watching.